Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Sudhar, in Computer Department, Jill College of Engineering and Research, Pune. My team members are Shruti Tavle, Tanmay Yele, Prithviraj Suryavanshi. I am presenting the project Quick Application for RTO exam with assistance of project coordinators Prashant Manesar. Next, Tanmay will explain.
Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Jagdish Shere and I am here to present our project named as Quiz Application for RTO exam. We have made an easy learning quiz application of RTO exam. The project is costless, user-friendly site developed by using a simple code which provides its user with questions related to learning license exam. The site also indicates whether the user has answered correctly or not and allows multiple attempts. Problem statement: examiners require a correct study pattern in order to pass the learning license tests. Questions from this test can be correctly solved if and only if they have been solved and practiced many times. The objective behind making this project is to provide a platform for civilians where they can learn more about road transport and score well in learning license exam by solving and resolving many questions. Conclusion: a user-friendly site using a simple code is obtained. A site is been similar to that of RTO exam, assures the student of a passing score and necessary confidence. Anyone, anywhere, at any point of time can access the site and prepare for these exams for free. A cost-free mode of preparation is obtained. As acquiring a learning license is first step towards becoming an authorized driver in India, this site helps you to prepare for RTO examination. Learning license can be obtained by studying via these questions. It's not only the fun way of learning but an adequate way as well, as learning through quizzes is much more efficient than through the ever so lengthy PDFs and books. These questions helps you know more about how traffic and traffic rules work. They educate you about various signs on roads, thereby saving you from unnecessary police troubles and accidents. Future scope behind this project is to provide a basic outlook of actual license exam. This project will help an examiner to adapt to actual environment and conduction process of the test, thereby putting him or her at ease during the actual exam. Also, it costs nothing to access this site and study from it, hence increasing the value of the site day by day. Thank you.
Mission Society, redefining excellence.